Okay, today we'll see in 2b. Yesterday we have seen homogeneous sum problems. Let us continue. Okay, let us see the problem. dy by dx is equal to x plus y whole square by 2x square, right? So y is equal to vx, v is equal to y by x, dy by dx is equal to v plus dv by dx into x. This is that, always. So this is v plus dv by dx into x is equal to x plus vx whole square by 2x square. I will take x common. So 1 plus v in the flower bracket whole square by 2x square. So I have taken x common. So v plus dv by dx into x is equal to x square into 1 plus v square by 2x square, cancel. So dv by dx into x is equal to 1 plus v whole square by 2 minus v. So look at here, dv by dx into x is equal to 1 plus v square plus 2v minus 2v by 2. 2v will get cancelled. So dv by dx into x is equal to 1 plus v square by 2. Variable separable. 2 by 1 plus v square into dv is equal to dx by x. Put integration symbol. So 2 into integration of 1 plus v square dv is equal to integration of 1 by x dx. This you know very well. Tan inverse v is equal to log x plus c. What is the v? Y by x is equal to log x plus c. Sometimes the problem will be very easy. So simplification. Copy this. Next problem. Y square minus 2xy in dx plus 2xy minus x square dy is equal to 0. Observe here. Is equal to minus of 2xy minus x square into dy. I am bringing the term this side. First divide dx here, this term this here. Means what? Y with minus sign is equal to dy by dx. So bring minus sign inside not to have a confusion. Y square minus 2xy by x square minus 2xy is equal to dy by dx. So I brought minus sign inside. Now again y is equal to vx, v is equal to y by x, dy by dx is equal to v plus into x. So what will happen? Y square means vx whole square minus 2xy, 2x into vx by denominator x square 2x into vx is equal to v plus dv by dx into x. So what will happen? V square x square minus 2x square v by x square minus 2v x square is equal to v into x. So x square everywhere common. So v square minus 2v by 1 minus 2v. X square get cancelled, sir. V plus dv by dx into x. Bring v this side by 1 minus 2v minus v is equal to dv by dx into x. Just cancellation and simplification, sir. So what will happen? V square minus 2v minus v plus 2v square by 1 minus 2v. Observe here what will happen, the problem is equal to dy by dx into x. So this becomes 3v square minus 3v by 1 minus 2v is equal to dv by dx into x. So what I have done, only mathematical simplifications are just arrange chestunna terms ni. Okay, then variables separable 1 minus 2v by 3v square minus 3v into dv is equal to dx by x. Okay, not to have a confusion, we will do like this. Somebody will have a doubt. So here dx by x is equal to 1 minus 2v by dv. So 1 minus 2v will come to numerator, this will come into denominator. So dx by x integration, I am not writing here, 1 minus 2v by v common, 3v common, v minus 1 integration of dv. Now we have to find integration for this. First we have to do partial fractions into v minus 1. So a by, okay, we will do one thing, ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేద్దాం సార్. dx by x 1 by 3 1 minus 2v by v into v minus 1 dv, right? So we do partial fraction for this, sir, దీనికే చేద్దాం. is equal to a by v plus b by v minus 1. So 1 minus 2v is equal to a into v minus 1 plus b into v. So ఇక్కడ అన్నీ వస్తాయి సార్, అందుకని అన్ని మోడల్స్ యూ షుడ్ నో. Now put v is equal to 1. So what will happen, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, this is 0, this is b, and v is equal to 0. So this will be 1 and this is 0, 0 means minus a. So a is equal to minus 1. You got a value, b value. So what I have done, multi substitution, sir. Then ikkada integration chestappudu partial fraction we are doing it. Please note down this. Okay, copy it properly, sir. Now so what will happen now, dx by x 1 by 3, ఇక్కడ 1 minus 2v is converted into a by v. A means what, sir? Minus 1, b is also minus 1. dv minus integration of 1 by v minus 1 dv. So it is log x is equal to 1 by 3 minus log v minus log of v minus 1. Okay. Log x is equal to 1 by 3 minus v means y by x minus log of y minus 1 plus c, right? Clear? So ఇక్కడ సింపుల్గా we have put log x concept. Copy this. Next problem. Y square minus 2xy into dx plus dy is equal to 0. Right? Now again is equal to minus of 2xy minus x square into dy. So divide here. Okay, so by same model, sir, is equal to dy by dx. Bring down x minus sign, sir. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే by is equal to dy by dx. Y is equal to vx, v plus dx and v is equal to y by x. So y square means by x square 2x into vx is equal to v plus dv by dx into x. So v square x square 2x square v by v is equal to v plus x. So x square cancel, v square minus 2v by 1 minus 2v is equal to v plus dv by dx into x. Simplification anta same method sir, అందుకనే చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నా నేను. ఓకే, we are doing the same method. Okay, bring the terms here. Please note down the problem and start doing it sir, then you will understand. Minus v dv by dx into x. Again LCM is, observe here the same model sir, v square minus 2v minus v plus 2v square is equal to dv by dx into x. So this becomes 3v square minus 3v by 1 minus 2v. I think same problem we have repeated. Same problem repeat చేస్తున్నట్టున్నాం సార్. Okay, so let us write again dx by x. Same model sir, I think. So what will happen now? 3v square minus, sorry, variable separable. So this becomes dx by x is equal to 1 minus 2v by 3v square minus 3v. So what will happen now? Dx by x is equal to 1 minus 2v by 3v common v minus 1. So dx by x is equal to 1 minus 2v by v into v minus 1 with 1 by 3 outside. So again 1 minus 2 by v into v minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2v a by v plus b by v minus 1. I think same problem we are repeated sir. Okay, so again find a value, b value. A into v minus 1, b into v. So put v is equal to 1. So this becomes 1 minus 2, it is minus 1, b. And v is equal to 0, 1 is equal to minus a is equal to minus 1. Same problem sir, repeated. It is repeated sir. So again same answer will come. Log x into 1 by 3 minus log v minus log of v minus 1. Okay, so log x is equal to 1 by 3 minus log of y by x minus log of y by x minus 1 plus c. Okay. Okay, next problem. X square minus y square into dy by dx is equal to xy. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to xy by x square minus y square. So y is equal to vx, v is equal to y by x, dy by dx is equal to v plus dv by dx into x. So v plus dv by dx into x is equal to xy, x into vx by x square minus vx whole square is equal to vx square by x square minus v square x square. Cancel the x square sir, 1 minus v square. So dv by dx into x is equal to v by 1 minus v square minus v. v with this side, sir. So dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v square. So v minus v plus v cube, right? So what will happen? Sir, observe the sir, is equal to v and v will get cancelled, v cube by 1 minus v square. Now variable separable, y cube 1 minus v square by v cube is equal to dx by x dv. So 1 minus v square by v cube integration. Now observe here. So 1 by v cube integration dv minus v square by v cube dv is equal to dx by x. So 1 by v cube means v power minus 3 integration dv minus 1 by v dv is equal to dx by x. So v power minus 3 is minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 minus log v is equal to log x. So this becomes v power minus 2 by minus 2 minus log v is equal to log x plus c. V power minus 2 means 1 by v square. So 1 by 2v square minus log v is equal to log x plus c, right? So what is the v? Y by x. So 1 by minus 2 into y by x whole square minus log y by x is equal to log x plus c. Okay. So here variable separable. Okay. Please note on this. Next problem. X square y minus 2xy square dx is equal to x cube minus 3x square y into dy, right? Right, now x square y dx is equal to minus dy. So divide dx, this one this side, x square y by minus of x cube y is equal to dy by dx. Bring minus sign inside. Appudu em avutadi sir? X square y minus 2xy square by minus x cube is equal to dy by dx. Now put y is equal to vx, yx, and dy by dx is equal to v plus dv by dx into x. So we put the values minus 2x into vx whole square by 3x square into vx minus x cube is equal to dy by dx. So this becomes x cube v minus 2v square x cube by minus x cube is equal to dy by dx. X cube cancels, sir. V minus 2v square by v minus 1. X cube cancels, sir. 3v minus 1 is equal to, sir, dy by dx is replaced by v plus. Now I am replacing dy by dx. V plus dv by dx into x. Now I am replacing. So bring v this side by 3v minus 1 minus v is equal to dv by dx. Now I am replacing here, sir. Ikkada replace here. LCM is 3v minus 1. So v minus 2v square minus 3v square plus v. So v minus 2v square minus 3v square minus how minus plus v is equal to dv by dx into x. So this becomes 2v minus 5v square 3v minus 1 is equal to dv by dx into x. Now variable separable. So what will happen? 3v minus 1 by 2v minus 5v square dv is equal to dx by x. I am coming this side and rearrange చేస్తున్నాను సార్ ఫస్ట్ v terms. Now 3v minus 1 by v common 2 minus 5v dv is equal to dx by x integration. Now we have to use the partial fraction for this, sir. Okay, we will use the partial fraction for this, right? Please copy up to here. Now look at here. First I am doing the partial fraction is equal to a by v plus b by 2 minus 5v. So 3v minus 1 is equal to plus b into v. Put v is equal to 0, minus 1 is equal to 2a. A is equal to minus 1 by 2. Right? Put v is equal to 2 by 5. Observe here. So 3 into 2 by 5 minus 1 is equal to, this will be 2 minus 5 into 2 by 5 plus b into 2 by 5. So this 5 will get cancelled, 2 minus 2 is 0. So this a will become 0. So 6 by 5 minus 1 is equal to 2b by 5. LCM 1 by 5 is equal to 2b by 5. 5 will get cancelled, b is equal to 1 by 2. You got a value, b value. Now we have to put integration. Now I have found out the partial fraction. So a by, what is a value? Minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 by v dv. Okay, plus b value 1 by 2 integration of 1 by 2 minus 5v is equal to integration of dx by x. Always that dx by x will be there. So 1 by 2 log v plus 1 by 2 log of 2 minus 5v by minus 5, because 2 minus 5v derivative is minus 5, sir, that you have to write here, is equal to log x plus c. So minus 1 by 2 log of y by x plus 1 by, that is 1 by minus 10, because minus 5 is there, log of 2 minus 5 into y by x is equal to log x plus c. Okay, in variables, I mean homogeneous, these problems are very, very important, sir. Okay, tomorrow we will continue some more problems. In the next video we will continue some more problems, but that will be in a v by x will not be, it will not be x and y, sir, it will be in the same model but different form. Okay, that we'll see tomorrow in next video, sir.